What's up, people? It's your boy Richard here. It's a new day, new trade that's going on right now. So, looking at my trade right now of $132, $35. This is a 5-minute trade. Uh, Um, you can see I got 34 seconds left, so I don't have that much time left on this trade. Um, could have got made more money if I would have jumped in 37, but for a safer price, I got it at 39, making $30 per contract, which is really 28 after the fees. About 5 contracts, so I should make $140 on this. Nice profit. So now there we go. I won the trade. So now the account is 927. Just that fast. So um, that's how simple it is to trade. And like I said, this is my one trade for today. So I will not be trading anymore today. Um, there's no need. There's no need to rush. You must have patience when you're doing these things. I was gonna jump in the in the indice trade on S&P 500. I really love trading those because I've been trading those, trading that for years now. Made a lot of money off of it. But right now, as our wealth generator team that we have right now, we concentrate on the 5-minute trades because they're really fast. You're in and out really fast, and it's similar to what wealth generators do at night. They call trades in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, like 11 o'clock Eastern Standard. They call trades at uh, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, and they call trades at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard. There are different trading sessions in a week. People that's overseas, they use a different broker, but basically you can catch the trades, they're live trades, and you can make actually pretty decent money doing this. And then of course our team, we have because we didn't want to use a certain broker we all the time, so we have the normal broker, which is Vin Rally. That's the broker they use for the US. They call it binary option trades. But our team, we're using Nadex specifically to make money doing binary options, mostly because it's a more trusted broker. It's a U.S. broker, and we live in the U.S., so that's what we're doing. So, as I said before in other videos, for people who want to learn this style of trading, you must be a part of our wealth generators team, um, which means you have to sign up for wealth generators. And then we do have Zoom calls all the time. Um, if you want to have your membership, there is a monthly membership fee involved. If you want to have your membership fee paid for it, you can either use the money that you make through your Nadex training, or you can actually show 3 other people that you that wants to make money also what we're doing, and have them join. And once they join the team, you'll have a free membership. So those are 2 ways to get free membership. If you don't bring anyone uh, to show them what we're doing, you'll use your Nadex money to pay the membership, and to basically get another way to get free membership is bring 3 people to the table and show them what we're doing. And that's another way to get a free membership. They do have to be active for you to get a free membership. The other thing you could do is actually use wealth generators products, because that also makes you money. They have their Forex. They have the Forex training. They have use the equities pack, which is stocks. They do have soon have crypto trading. They have crypto mining, which don't have a fee, a monthly fee. So There's different ways of actually starting and doing things with us, but specifically to get Nadex training, you have to be on our team, because I really don't have time to be teaching everyone individually. I have a lot of people that ask me, it's easier if they just join the team and we learn as a group, because there's 2 other traders in the group itself that actually help the team out with learning. There's a lot of people having success. So if you'd like more information, just email me and I'll get back with you. All right. So thanks for watching the video, and let's all keep making money. All right. Peace.